Barbie with Play-Doh or balloons. Barbies. This is the Barbie who have two-tone colors and it's short. This is my hair, and this is the blue hair on here, and this is it looks like orangey. Right, this is orange. The second is Ariel. Her name is Ariel. You know the Little Mermaid. There. And this is her hair. It's curly, very curly. Her hair is red, and she's just like that too. And this is my last Barbie who has brown hair. So the next material we're gonna need is a scissor. It's my scissors. Next is balloon. I love balloons, so you can blow it just only one. One only. So like this. And ta-da! And the last material you're gonna need is Play-Doh. So guys, we are going to start. Are you ready? Now let's start. I found the glue. So, ready na po tayo maggawa ng dress dun sa Play-Doh. At dito naman po ay black yung alam niyo yung isa. So, let's go! You know what this dress means? It's a gala dress. So you can see it's like this and Play-Doh. It's Play-Doh. So let's go to the next. And here it is, my finished product. Open your arms. Pose. Pose. Sana po meron po kayong natututunan sa video ito. Maraming salamat po. If you like this video, then smash that like button and we'll see you again next time. Goodbye!